Hi everyone, very welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video, you have already guessed it, it's a Durga Puja dedicated video, and today's makeup look is specially for Ashtami because we all know Ashtami is the day when we wear totally ethnic, totally traditional. So let's get into the video. I'm starting off with my Mars Glow O'Clock primer, one of the most affordable yet underrated primer, and this gives such a sticky finish that like your makeup will literally stick onto your face. And now the staple, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I have this in the shade 310 Sun Beige. I'll start by dotting the foundation on my entire face and then going on with the Plume foundation brush. I will be like spreading it out. The intention is to spread it out, and if you have like some strokes or lines left, don't worry. The main motive of using the brush is to just evenly spread out the foundation without having any product soaked. That is generally done by the beauty blender. So after spreading out the foundation, I go on with the beauty blender to blend it all out evenly. Now for concealer, I have the Revolution Pro concealer in the shade C8, and for alternatives I have these two options for you, that is the Maybelline Fit Me or the Insight. The links for every product will be in the description box. So I'm using my Revolution Pro concealer today. It's in the shade C8. Now I will be highlighting my main areas, and as well as I'll try to spot conceal my acne marks and the areas where I have pigmentation. Now while I give this concealer some time to set, I'll do my brows real quick. So this is how I generally do my brows. I outline the outer section first and I fill in. I don't really do anything in the inner section of my eyebrows because I just want them to look a bit natural. Then I blend my concealer using my PAC 218 concealer brush, I guess. I don't remember, but it will be in the description box. So I first blend my concealer using a brush and then I get in with a beauty blender. Now this step is very optional. If you want, you can carve out your brows. If you don't want, then it's absolutely fine. Now before moving on, I set my face using the Faces Canada Ultimate Setting Spray. Now I set my face using some loose powder. It's from Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 25 medium. I don't bake my face, but I just like press on the powder using a powder brush. Now I will be adding some definition, and for that I am using this Dazzler Eye-Tex bronzer. It's a very affordable bronzer, only 80 rupees, and the shade is absolutely perfect for every single Indian skin tones. So as you can see, just a bit like very light-handedly on my cheekbones and forehead. And now moving on with the blush. It's the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine. Very famous, very known blush. The shade is absolutely pretty. So focusing on the apples of my cheeks, and that's it, and some on my nose and also on my chin. Now for the eyeshadow, I suggest this Nicka Cape eyeshadow palettes. You can also go for the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palettes. Both are really affordable, and I have this in the range Autumn Spice, and I absolutely love the shades here. I start off with a brick red color on my eyelids and I blend it out using a fluffy brush. I also add some deep brownish shade on my crease just to define it a little bit, and going with this yellow shimmer shade. It's a very golden kind of a shade, and I apply it on the inner corners to the middle portion, and I blend it again, ensuring that there's no harsh strokes or lines visible. And after this I make a wing liner using a black liner. Now for the eyelashes, I am using the first pair of lashes from the Kalailas lashes. For highlighter, I have the Insight highlighter in the shade 06 Cosmic Power. It's a cream highlighter and I absolutely like. Just look at the glow. Wow, I just absolutely love the natural finish this highlighter provides. Now here, just because I'm lazy to go and get my kajal, I used some black eyeshadow to apply it on my waterline, but you can obviously use a kajal for this. Now I'm using the Insight lip liner. I don't remember the shade, it will be in the description box. So yep, this is a very warm brown kind of a lip liner. Now for the lipstick, I have these three options. All the colors look absolutely the same, so you can go with any of these. It's a terracotta red kind of a shade. And here I'm done, and let me just change. And yes, that's the look, besties. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and find it really helpful. And yep, that's the perfect Ashtami look for every Bengali girl. See you guys soon in my next video.